Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is: a base angle of an isosceles triangle is 11 degree more than the vertex angle. Find the base angle. As we know that in an isosceles triangle, the two base angles are congruent, and the remaining angle, that is the third angle, is vertex angle. Let each of base angle be B and one vertex angle be V. Now from given base angle is 11 degree more than the vertex angle, so we can represent this as B equals to B plus 11. Suppose this is equation number 1. As sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can take this as V plus B equals to 180 degree. As here from 1, V plus B can be written as V plus 11 plus B is again V plus 11 equals to 180. That is 3V plus 22 equals to 180 degree. So V will be 180 degree minus 22 divided by 3, that is 52.666. Here we have to find the base angle. As from given B equals to V plus 11, so B equals to 52.666 plus 11, which is 63.666. So rounding nearest to hundreds, we get 63.67. 63.67. Rounding nearest to thousands. Rounding nearest to hundreds, that 63.666 will be 63.67. So the measure of base angle is 63.67 degree. Hence base angle is 63.67 degree. And from available options, we have option A as 63.67 degree.